Hi, I'm Vikram Fotedar. Uh, I'm the CEO of Fotedar. We're a family-run business with offices around India, Middle East, East and West Africa. In India, we have three operations. We have Fotedar, which predominantly works in the machine space in packaging. We have esteemed partners like HP, Zootai. So HP is for digital printing, Zootai is for pouching machines, and Gunther for PE bag making machines, Hallweg Weber for paper bag making machines, and we deliver solutions to the converters in India. We also have another company called Packone, which is the booth here. So Packone is a company that sells components. We have companies, customers who are OEMs, so other machine builders in India from the printing and packaging industry. It can be companies producing CI presses, slitters, laminators, coating machines, and we deliver various components to them. And we have a third company called Priority Pack, where we deliver services to all of our other entities. So at Plastindia 2026, we've created an interesting setup here. We have space for all our partners of components, and we've also brought our R&D machine here. This machine is usually hosted at our R&D center in Ahmedabad, and this machine is a unique machine where you can experience what it is like to use our components firsthand. You can trial your materials, you can send your operators for training, we can do demonstrations. So I'll just give you a quick tour of what we do here. This, you know, to start with, we have components for the web handling system. So we work with Renova. Renova is a leading Italian manufacturer of brakes, tension controllers, and amplifiers. We also work with Swecom from Italy. They are a world leader in new mechanical chucks, safety chucks, shafts. Another partner of ours is Mink. They do brush rollers for spreading. So now brush rollers is a very unique concept. Traditionally, people were using banana rollers. The trouble with banana rollers is that you have to set an attack angle and the bow, which requires operator skill and understanding of the situation. But here this works as an idler free roller. At the same time, it very softly spreads the web and you get a very uniform web at the end because of the angles of the bristles. And you can see two color bristles here, white and black. So the black bristles also do static dissipation at the same time. So here you can see this is one of the segments. So if we get a damaged segment, it's very easy to replace the segment also on the roll later. Then besides this, we also work with Bonato from Italy. They have very interesting solutions for static dissipation of film. They also have a solution for static charging, which is used in the IML industry. So we deliver to several OEMs in the IML business for charging the mold, where the label will be applied and then held in place during the injection molding process. Besides that, they also have a very unique system for automatically charging a core in the rewind. So you don't need to apply any tapes for fixing the film onto the core during a changeover. Another unique system that we are presenting here is from Punch and Pin in Italy. Punch and Pin is a leading supplier of electro-pneumatic punching systems. The advantage of a electro-pneumatic punch is you can be punching in continuous operation. So this is what the punch looks like. You have two parts. You have the hammer and you have the anvil. We can go from 1 millimeter holes all the way to 100 millimeter holes. The larger holes are typically used in the mulch film industry. We have several such installations in India, and the smaller holes are used typically for venting. So it is used in shrink sleeve for air release on contour bottles. It could be used for POF film for releasing air again when you're doing a collation pack. So the system here, we can have many across, and you can be changing the punching pattern on the fly through a touch screen, so very easy to operate. Another first in India is our system for lasers. We work with MLT, where the housing has been developed locally in India, and the key components have come from MLT in Germany. This system can deliver cross and machine direction perforation and scoring. So you can create special features and functions in the pack like easy open, or you can develop packaging for modified atmospheric packaging. We also have one of our partners from Japan, DAC. This is a leading manufacturer of defect detection systems for flexible packaging, labels, carton, corrugated. And what we are displaying here is the crossover system. The first system we sold into India was 5 years ago. Over the years, we've been continuously developing the system based on local requirements. We've added several functionalities such as delta E measurement and selected area scanning, and we continue to partner with the industry and work to enhance the capability of the system to be able to deliver defect free material to the industry. Finally, when we come to the rewind, we have our partner Epsilon. Epsilon is a leading manufacturer of carbon fiber products for various applications such as the electrical industry, aerospace, automotive, but also in the converting and flexible packaging industry. Here we have a roll from a collapsing frame in a blown film line. It's quickly becoming an industry standard to have carbon fiber rollers, to have very low friction and inertia, and which results in a scratch-free film. We've used Epsilon rollers on this demo machine as well in our lay-on and our backup roll. Besides that, we also work with Swecom, again, just like you'd seen on the unwind, here on the rewind for differential shafts and air shafts. So yeah, that's it. That's what we do here.